Okay, I am Jayavardhan MBT under registration number 3996, and this is the demonstration of the big data assignment demonstrating the Kafka, the order processing system using Kafka. So let's jump into the code. So here I have used Docker to spin up Kafka. So I have used three Kafka cluster with three brokers as Kafka 1, Kafka 2, and Kafka 3. These are the three brokers, and I have used Whokeeper to manage the Kafka cluster. And then I have used schema registry for handling the schema like Avro serialization. So then I have also used the Kafka UI to visualize things. It's just a visualization tool. So here what happens is I have a producer. So producer produce some orders according to the schema defined in the defined in here in Avro serialization, Avro format. So using that, I produce some random model. So here is the code. So I am just producing some random models. Then I publish those randomly produced orders to the to Kafka. So so after that, I have a consumer. So in this consumer, what it does is it listens to the orders topic. I have here you can see I have created two topics. So I am creating two topics. I will show in the demonstration. So I am creating orders topic and orders DLQ. I will explain what orders DLQ is in a moment. So I am creating orders topic here. So what consumer does is consumer listen to the orders topic and consumes the event from the orders topic, and it process those events like generating some insights like revenue and average prices and other things. So I am doing that using this one, this price aggregator utility class. So then there is another thing. So the consumer always always validate these messages like for the demonstration purposes in the producer I am producing some messages, some orders with negative prices like this. Here there is a 30% chance to generate a randomly generate a order with a negative price. So the negative price can't be. So what this consumer does is it it checks the price. So if the price is negative, then it retries like this. Just for the uh, like demonstration purpose, I have done this. So if it retries for three times. Like there are max retry limit. And also there is an exponential back off like this. So in the first failure, it retry for 1 second, after 1 second, then retry after 2 seconds, then after 4 seconds. Then if the maximum retry attempts reached, then it will no longer process that event in this consumer. So what it does is after exceeding the maximum retry attempts, it send the failed order to DLQ. DLQ is the dead letter queue. So dead letter queue handles. So here actually this consumer act as a producer. So it produced this DLQ event and it send that to DLQ topic. So here is the DLQ consumer. So I have just here logged the failed event. So what DLQ consumer does is it listen to the orders DLQ topic, and then it process the like we can like say analyze what happens. Like here I just logged the error message. So let's do the demonstration. So here I have the Docker file. So let's spin up the piece docker compose -d. Okay, you can see the containers are creating here. The Kafka UI is creating. So let's go to Kafka UI quickly. Sorry. Kafka UI is at the 8080 port. Okay. So, okay, now it's fine. See what's going on. Okay, Kafka UI, it's up and running, 8084. Okay, here it's loading. So here you can see the three brokers here. So you can see the active controller, which is the leader. So now the leader is the Kafka 2. So if Kafka 2 goes down, then leader will be elected using the zookeeper, either Kafka 3 or Kafka 1. So I have used that. Then let's see the demonstration. So now we can see all the things are running. So let's quickly start the VLB. Let's start the consume. Sorry. First we have to create the topics. Let's create the topics. Uh, Also the orders topic and the DLQ. Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now let's run the consumer. Okay, now consumer is started quickly. Okay, let's start the okay. Let's start the DLQ consumer. Okay. Okay, now let's start the uh, producer. Okay, now once I start this, you can see so here there are orders generating. So here you can see the first message also got a dead letter queue. So here invalid price. So in the consumer window you can see it's retrying for several times, and when once it fails, it send back to the dead letter queue. So here you can see the dead letter queue log. In the DLQ the messages are logged here, so you can see all the negative prices are here. They don't they aren't being processed using the uh, consumer. So here you can see the consumer is consuming only the valid messages, and also here you can see the due to the three brokers there are partitions like changing partitions. So I have actually assigned the random assignment of partitions here, like in the producer. Here I have used this. Okay, so you can see once error occurred, these are processed using the delta queue. If not, if the order is a valid order, then those are processed using the order consumer. So this is the demonstration of the my order management system using Kafka.